What's up, guys? It's Roman Mardi. In this video, we're going to be going on a Disney vlog. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. So, let's go. Okay, guys, so, I got here. This hotel room is amazing. I am on the top bunk of a bunk bed right now. This is the rest of the room. I mean, I haven't looked over there by the bathroom and stuff. I'm gonna go check right now.
This was so cool.
Okay, one sec. Okay, guys, I got down. But I want to show you the view. The view is insane. So wait, before I show you the big thing, let me show you the pool. So the pool is right down there. If you can't already tell, it makes the hidden Mickey. Speaking about hidden Mickeys, there's a hidden Mickey. I have a view of Disneyland. Wait, is that Cars? Yeah, that's Cars Land. I can see Cars Land. I'm gonna look at the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It's a pretty nice bathroom. Like an art piece. It kind of looks like the Nickelodeon Splash, you know what I'm talking about. Bathtub, sink, dual sink. Hey. Hey guys, it's the next morning and we're about to leave right when my dad finishes getting ready. Let me show you because I just found, you know how I showed the California Adventure in the background? Now I found Disneyland, so let me show you. I don't know if you can see that well, but over there, let me see, there's the castle. There's Big Thunder Mountain, Matterhorn, Space Mountain. But yeah, you can actually see the castle from my view. I am right at security. I'm about to go through. I will give you an update right when I get through security. See ya. Well, I'm cutting. Hey guys, I'm in the line for Monsters Inc. I'm about to get on the ride. I'm gonna record a little bit of the ride, but first I'm gonna show you something cool. I found these vending machines.
Attention visitors.
Snacks.
For your safety,
I'm going into Avengers campus for the first time. I can already hear the music playing. There's Guardians of the Galaxy. There's the Avengers campus entrance, I think. And guys, I'm right in front of the stage for the Doctor Strange show at Avengers campus. Here, let me show you. Right here. I'm in the Web Slingers ride. In the queue right now. I'm about to go into the showroom.
Come on in while we prep for your test drive on the Slinger. We'll be starting in just a few moments. We hope you have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. And now, our project lead, the brilliant, Peter Parker.
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we get access to some pretty awesome tech like vibranium from Wakanda, or this crazy alien juice stuff. We have pin particles and Stark Tech. It all helps us develop really cool stuff like these spider bots, for example. Check it out, they have this really cool self-replicating feature.
Because
Because it's awesome. Buddy, you can stop doing that now. But anyway, you guys are here today to help us test the web slinger vehicle. Using onboard tech, you will be able to sling webs just like my buddy Spider-Man.
Hey there, your presentation is getting away from you.
Yeah, I'm aware of that, Sharon. If you could just initiate the safety protocols, I'd greatly appreciate it.
Problem with that,
So
Peter.
anyway, if you want to sling a web, all you gotta do is sling your arm in the direction you want to shoot the web, and that's it. It's awesome.
Peter, your spider webs are continuing to replicate and are consuming everything in their path.
They seem to be stuck in self-replication mode. If you could just handle that for me, please.
On it. Contacting Mr. Stark.
Don't call Mr. Stark! Don't call Mr. Stark. Sorry, Sharon. You should just call someone else, ask them to do it.
Okay. Contacting Spider-Man.
Weird. I'm gonna go find some.
What is happening here? If you're at Avengers campus and you see a character up high on top, if you salute them, they'll salute you back. So try it next time you go to Disneyland. Hey guys, right now I'm in Radiator Springs. Right when I cut off the video, I went to the shop, just looking around, and I saw they had a bunch of magic bands. I got my own magic band right here. I just wanted the plain blue. I'll see you guys on the ride.
You wanted to get a pin for
1,000 subscribers.
1,000 subscribers? Congrats!
ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
That sounds like an OSHA violation to me, but I guess I can.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Amazing time at Disneyland, and I hope you guys like the vlog. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.